my elders. You are welcome. I appreciate. Let us continue later. We'll start with the entertainment.
It's okay, it's okay.
I wish to remind you that the Afiolo Festival take place the next 7th Eke Market Day. 7th Eke Market Day. And that day, there will be wrestling by able-bodied young men. And whoever wins will pick a wife, as we used to do it. Then our beautiful maidens will dance for us. And the best dancer will be given a prize. And most important of all, my princess will choose the person she wants to marry on that very day. First and foremost. So it's going to be celebration all the way. Chief guy, you go and tell the town crier what I just said. 1, Afiolo Festival, 7 market days. 2, wrestling. 3, the maidens will dance. And 4, most important, the princess will choose the husband.
Igwe.
Thank you. For the maidens.
Igwe. Yeah, injustice, sir. Go, run.
Do you know that there is no man in this entire village that cultivates yam like him?
And why are you telling me this as if I don't know Nayo Cafe?
No, you know him now. I'm just telling you because I admire him. You know now.
Don't tell me that you are putting eye on Nayo Cafe.
Of course. Who doesn't like good thing? Who doesn't like good thing? So you expected me to reject, or should I say I don't like him? No!
I know that you like him.
Of course I like him!
That's the way you were eyeing him that time.
If I should get married to this man, I will be filled up with yam. Even my family too.
So it's because of yam. Remember how Nayo Cafe has 4 wives already.
And so, does it really matter? What matters is that yam, rice, cassava, everything will be given to my family. That's all I care.
Oh, that's all you care. You don't even like him.
No, I love him now.
Akonne, you need to see the way Nayo Cafe handled me last time.
Oh my God.
Oh! Nayo Cafe will not stay.
You know what I'm talking about.
There you go. Hi! Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that Ishio Okafor is a horse?
Akonne, last night was different. My body was doing me.
Do you know the very first time that man handled me, I was sick for 2 days.
Sick?
I was sick.
You should be enjoying it, please.
Yes!
You don't like it?
No, I said first time now, first day, the first time. No. But now,
I have done it before. I have done it before. I understand. You know, first time is always painful.
The great wrestler of our time
is me. There's no any other person.
I know. I'm going to Ozobo Palace.
Ozobo, yeah.
To go and see my mother.
Wow. Yes. That's good. Wait, is your mom from Ozobo?
My mother is from Ozobo.
So your rice and beans. There is no problem. Before I forgot, hope you are going to be around for the next festival celebration.
Oh, which was festival?
Now where the princess is going to make his choice of man, and I myself will wrestle and take my own maiden. You know.
I'm not going to stay long. Before you know it, I will be back. I'm only going there to go and take 1 or 2 things and make sure that.
Don't miss it, because I, the greatest wrestler, nobody can contend me. I will win, and then I will take Akugo to be mine.
Good day, Udezika.
Akugo.
I can see you are heading to the forest already.
Yes. Well, I thank you for the other day. The cassava you brought at my hut the other day.
Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing.
Oh, where are you going?
I want to go and see my friend.
Okay. Ah, nice people. Well, let me check on my trap.
Okay.
We'll see in the evening.
Okay.
Hey,
What will I do 2 days ago? He has taken over every young maiden in this village, including Abugo. Bah. No! Such will not happen. I have to do something. No! I have to do something. I have to go to Agonasa to collect charm that can help me get whatever I want. Agonasa are known for great charms. I have to go there and collect mine. I know it will take me days to the journey. But I will still have to. I have to go there.
Sacrifice of evil.
I have to go there. I don't have a choice.
Sacrifice of evil. Whatever you do, think of the consequence. Remember.
Our husband, Ichio Okafor, has married a new wife.
My dear, as you see us now, we are so much angry. We are going back home. Let's go, abeg.
Please, I don't even understand what is even happening. You say what? Our husband has married a new wife. New Ochako Omaka.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Hey! Ichio Okafor, you buka anu mu nke nura anu ezu hologo. Amarokwam. Amarokwam ihe Ichio Okafor na-acho. Ọ ga-anwụ n'ihe a.
Akuna, I'm so
Is this in the festival? Yes, you want to go there? New wife. Okay. You are going there. Go where?
You are wonder. Let's go wait for him at home.
Hey,
because today
he will see the house on fire. He will.
Much. I'm no longer happy. My husband has been avoiding me. He has not been giving me attention ever since he got married to that overripe couple. I don't know what to do.
I'm so sorry, my friend. So what do you intend doing now?
I don't have anything to do. Honestly, I don't have anything.
See, you don't need to worry yourself. I will take you to my maternal home. There is a native doctor there. He will help you and give you something to put in your husband's food. And make your husband love you more than all your co-wives.
God of our land! My husband! Will I tell my mother-in-law?
now. Who are you?
Who am I does not matter. What you see destroy you. Go back.
Surely, let it destroy me. I will not go back. I have started this journey and I must reach my destination. Nobody can make me to go back. Nobody can make me to go back. I will not go back. I will not go back.